Are you having trouble with your Pinterest account? Here's how to fix common issues. Start by confirming your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password. If you have forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it. If your account is locked, Pinterest might have flagged it for unusual activity or a policy violation. You'll likely receive an email with details on why the account is locked. Follow the instructions in the email to unlock your account. If you recently changed your email or password, log out and log back in to make sure your new credentials are working correctly. If you have verified your email and are still having trouble, try clearing your app cache. Ensure that you have an active internet connection. A slow connection might prevent you from logging in successfully. If your account is still not working, reach out to Pinterest support for assistance. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.